Positive and negative. So, i-minus natin. 4 minus 8 is cannot be kasi malaki yung nasa ibaba. So, gagawin natin, magpapakal tayo dito sa 9. So, it will become 8 na lang ito. Hi mga kamat lovers. So, may dangay natin yun nga di mga problems nga about addition involving sign numbers. So, may dan natin upat din nga example. So, first, may dan natin 42 plus 35. Then, number 2, negative 352 plus negative 123. Then number 3, negative 2,358 plus 4,294. And number 4, we have 681 plus 592 plus 450. So paano ba ni-answeran mga kamat-lovers kung maka-encounter ka mo? Sorry nga problem.
Bago naton answeran, shoutout ngayon na atong top sender na Hichichi ng Riyadh. More blessing to you.
So first, answeran natin ang number 1. Okay. So using the vertical method. So first, you have 42, then plus 35. Okay. So 2 plus 5 is 7. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is the answer for number 1. Let's move on to number 2. So we have negative 352 plus negative 123. Okay, di ba mga kamat-lovers, kapag nag-a-add tayo ng same sign, i-add natin yung number, then i-copy lang natin yung sign nila. Okay, since both negative, i-add natin yung mga numbers. Sige, 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. And 3 plus 1 we have 4. So since both negative, negative 475. So that is the answer for number 2. Now let's move on to number 3. So this time, mga kamat-lovers, since yung sign nila is not the same, di ba? Ito negative, then ito naman positive. Ang gagawin natin, i-interchange natin. Unahin natin itong malaki, yung 4,294. Then plus